Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove WhatsApp admin who created the group. Alright, so let's begin. So if you want to remove the WhatsApp admin who created the group, then it's not possible because a group can have an unlimited number of admins and any admin can make a member an admin. The creator of the group can't be removed and will remain as admin unless they exit the group. In order to make someone an admin of a group, you must be an admin of the group. But if you want to remove someone as an admin, then you won't be able to do that if they are the creator. The admin itself should exit the group in order to be removed from the admin position. But if you want to add an admin, then you can simply go to your groups and open the name of that group. From here, you can go with add, which is on the right side, or you can also scroll down and go to group info. As you can see there that this person is a group admin, and if you want to remove this person as a group admin, then it's not possible. If the person exits the group, then they will be removed, and that's it. So that's basically how you can remove WhatsApp admin who created the group. So that's all for this video.